Class 10, Chapter 1 Chemical Equations and Reaction, a revision through multiple choice questions. Now, we all are very clear with the type of assessment to be held in this academic year 2021-22. And for the first term, we will be having multiple choice questions which include case-based, MCQs and then assertion reason type questions. There are 10 questions discussed in this video. You can check for the part 2 and 3 videos for the next set of MCQs. So get ready with your textbook, note, pen, pencils, whatever you want, and come, let's start solving the questions. So here is the first question. The following reaction is an example of displacement, combination, decomposition and exothermic. The reaction is CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice. If you recall, this is the first example that we learn in combination reaction, the production of slaked lime by mixing water with quicklime. So we know that it is a combination reaction and a large amount of heat is released in the reaction. This means the reaction is an exothermic reaction too. So from the given options 1, 2, 3 and 4, we can understand that this reaction can be a combination and an exothermic reaction. So the correct answer for this question is option C, 2 and 4. Question number 2. Ferrous sulphate crystals lose water when heated. How many molecules of water are lost? Take page number 8 of your textbook. You can see the formula of ferrous sulphate given in the paragraph. It is given FeSO4.7H2O. That means how many water molecules are lost here? 7 water molecules. So the answer is B. Moving on to the next question. Heating of limestone produces slaked lime, quicklime, lime water, caustic soda. So we have learnt that limestone is calcium carbonate. And when limestone or calcium carbonate is heated, it decomposes to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide is known as quicklime, and hence the answer for this question is option B, quicklime. Question number 4. Complete the missing variables given as X and Y in the following reaction. PbNO3 twice plus 2Ki gives PbI2 plus KNO3. Recall activity 1.2. We had mixed lead nitrate and potassium iodide. What was the color obtained? We got an yellow precipitate. And what was the yellow precipitate that we obtained in the reaction? It is lead iodide. So lead iodide is the precipitate which is in solid form. So X is solid. And potassium nitrate is obtained in the aqueous form. So potassium nitrate Y is aqueous. And hence the correct option for this answer is option D, S and AQ. Moving on to question number 5. Identify X and Y in the given equation. Cu plus XHNO3 gives CuNO3 twice plus YNO2 plus 2H2O. So we have to balance the equation to understand the values of X and Y. So let's first calculate the number of atoms of copper, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen in the reactant and product side. So you can see there are 1 atoms each of copper, hydrogen and nitrogen in the reactant side and 3 oxygen in the reactant side. Whereas on the product side you have 1 copper, 4 hydrogen, 3 nitrogen and 10 oxygen atoms. Let's start balancing the equation by balancing hydrogen in the reactant side. So 1 into 4 is equal to 4. So let's consider the value of X is 4. So if we put X as 4, that means the number of nitrogen atom changes from 1 to 4 and number of oxygen atom changes from 3 to 12. So in order to balance the product side, put the value 2 for Y and check whether nitrogen and oxygen is getting balanced. When we substitute 2 as the value of Y, then we can understand that the number of oxygen atom changes to 12, which is getting balanced. At the same time, number of nitrogen atoms is also increased to 4 from 3. So that means the equation is completely balanced, and hence the option A, 4 and 2 is the correct option for this question. Question number 6. Carbon dioxide gas burns with a pop sound when the burning matchstick is brought near it. True, false, can't say, partially true. If you recall in chapter 2 acid, bases and salts, and even in lower classes, we have learnt that pop sound is the characteristic test for the gas hydrogen. So that means the answer for this question is false, because carbon dioxide is a fire extinguisher. It doesn't burns with a pop sound, but it extinguishes fire. And the gas that burns with a pop sound is hydrogen. So what is a test for carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is tested by passing it through lime water, which changes the lime water to milky white in color due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Question number 7. The formation of quicklime and carbon dioxide from calcium carbonate is an example of, and the options given are photochemical decomposition, thermal decomposition, oxidation, displacement reaction. If you recall, in question number 3, we had discussed the decomposition of calcium carbonate, giving quicklime, that is calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now, if you see in that equation, we can understand that heat is given for this decomposition to take place. So, if heat is given, then the reaction is thermal decomposition, and hence the option is option B, thermal decomposition. Question number 8. Electrolysis of water is a decomposition reaction. The mole ratio of hydrogen and oxygen gases liberated during electrolysis of water is. When water is electrolytically decomposed, the number of hydrogen atom released is double to the number of oxygen atom. That means hydrogen and oxygen is released in the ratio 2:1. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 9. Which of the following can be decomposed by the action of sunlight? So we have learnt that when silver chloride is kept in sunlight, it decomposes to silver and chlorine. That means mostly silver halides which are kept in sunlight decomposes to silver and the respective halogen. So among the given option, silver bromide is the correct answer. The next question is also related to the photolytic decomposition of silver chloride. What will happen when silver chloride is kept under sunlight? White color salt changes to grey color. Decomposition take place. Both A and B, no change. So just now we discussed that when silver chloride decomposes, it changes from white to grey. So from the given options, you can identify that both A and B, that is option C, is the correct answer. So we have completed the first 10 questions of the chapter Chemical Equations and Reaction. Thank you for watching the video, and children, all the best for your first term board exams. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share the video among your friends and family. You can check the links for the playlist of class 10 chemistry and physics in the description given below.